My name is Mattias Sundström, and I am the CTO at Adnavem. We are a team with solid global experience in logistics, digitalization, and management who founded Adnavem in Sweden 2017. It was time to bring to international multimodal freight what had already happened in other industries. The new generation taking their place in today's companies are used to do their own research online and purchase goods and services based on their own preferences and instant decisions. Commoditized international freight, such as full containers between Asia and Europe, should not be more difficult. In the past, we booked our personal travel, calling the travel agent and waiting for their offer. Today, most of us book directly online with the suppliers, bypassing any middleman. That's why we launched the Adnavem Marketplace, where the parties in need of transporting goods using multimodal transport can book and collaborate directly with their preferred chain of logistics service providers, skipping middlemen and in full control and with full visibility. We connect trucking companies, customs clearance agents and carriers with cargo owners directly via our marketplace. We are a startup company that is growing fast, but of course we were also impacted by the downturn in Q2 this year. In the beginning, it was difficult for our customers to export from China, and later in the quarter this shifted to lower demand of imports into Sweden. Some of our customers had volume reductions in the region of 30%, whereas others were unaffected. Throughout the quarter, customer onboarding was slower and overall volumes declined. Year on year, we continued to grow though in Q2, but at a slower pace than forecasted before the pandemic hit. Some of our existing customers are already increasing their volumes after the summer. Entering November, we see a strong increase in both interest and shorter onboarding of new customers, and they also ramp up their volumes quicker. Our growth is still strong, and we expect 2020 to be significantly better than 2019. The turbulence in shipping after the summer, with high prices, shortage of equipment and blank sailings, have really rocked the boat. In the past, shipping was done using long contracts on fixed trade lanes using favorite ports and suppliers. The trend was in the direction of shorter contracts and spot prices already before the pandemic. The Adnavem Marketplace allows the shippers to optimize each transport every time, selecting the most optimal combination of modes, routes and suppliers. During this pandemic, we have seen that it has become even more important to be able to quickly find new routes, transports and suppliers. A marketplace model enables just this, and the impact on supply chain disruptions can be minimized. China is back to normal. It is possible to travel domestic for our Shanghai team, which is important to us in order to continue to grow our business and increase the value we offer to Chinese exporters. Sweden is recovering quickly with increasing imports, and many companies are reporting strong financial results for Q3. A positive side of a downturn is an accelerated change in behavior and adoption of new technologies to improve competitiveness. Projects to digitalize are now sped up in many companies, which will push the transformation of our industry too. Digitalization is no longer just a new behavior for a new generation, but increasingly becoming a necessity to keep supply chains intact. Next time you ship, we meet at our marketplace.